as promised, here is the super duper easy recipe for the cranberry sauce. You can use it like a jelly, or you can use it like your traditional cranberry sauce. All we're going to do today is use sugar and cranberries and filtered water. So super easy. I'm going to do 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in my pot, and I'm going to let it simmer, let the sugar dissolve and bring it close up to a boil, and then I'm going to put my cranberries in. I'm going to get that started, and then I forgot I don't have enough jars inside. I'm going to go get some more jelly jars and I'll bring them in, so we're going to water bath can this when we're done. Dissolved into the water, and so now we are just going to dump our cranberries in, and they kind of pop, so be prepared for that if you have never cooked cranberries before. See that they're starting to pop there. This is done now. We have, the steam is in there, but we have a nice jam here. We are going to put this in our jars, and then I'm going to water bath it for 15 minutes, and then they will be shelf stable. So anything that doesn't fit there, we will go ahead, or doesn't seal, excuse me, we'll go ahead and put in the fridge. But they should all be fine. And then this is the step where if you don't like the bigger chunks of cranberries, you can take a potato masher and smush them, or you can take an immersion blender. Just remove this from the heat, give it a second, and then use your blender and get it all nice and smooth if that's what you would like. And then it is good to go. Super easy cranberry sauce. jars here, I am just using my normal stock pot, and I put a towel in the bottom of them, and then I put the water in there. Follow the water pathing guidelines that you're using, and I'm going to do 15 minutes. After my 15 minutes at a rolling boil, so my time has not started yet because it's not boiling, then I will let it sit for 5 minutes before I pull them out, and then I'll give them about 12 hours to sit until, it'll be a little longer than that because I honestly won't check them until the morning. And I'll let them sit, make sure that the jars are sealed, that the lid's pinged, that they snap down, and that when I go to lift it off, I'll take the ring off, and then I will lift from the lid and make sure that the lid is sealed well, and then I'll label them and put them on the shelf.